Alright, YouTube, here's my Harley. I haven't done a video on it yet. It's kind of a project. I mean, it's a 2016 DYNO Street Bob. Not really a project, but I have added a few performance things to it. It's got DYNO, was it DYNO Jet Power Commander 5 on it. It's got a TC Power Flow air intake on it. I like it so far. With a K&N filter, and VANCE&HINES staggered short shots. I'm gonna tell you, since I put just them three things on it, it's a beast. I mean, I'm a little scared too, but I'm pretty sure it from a dead stop, if I were to romp it, it would probably catch the tires a little bit in the back, you know. The paint is a crushed ice pearl. I don't know if you can see it the way the sun's hitting it right now. I just washed it. It's got blue flakes in the paint. It's a beautiful bike. I love it. I don't get to ride it very much because of, well, not here lately because of the rain and all, but yeah, that's pretty much it.